Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a dimension style include feet, inches and millimeters for a millimeters environment. Okay, let's see. Draw in units, and enter. Length type decimal, precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay, now go annotate, select dimension style, test okay, now go dimension style manager, enter, go on new, start with test new style name, test and feet, continue, go lines, dimension lines, by layer, line type, by layer, extension lines, by layer, extension beyond dim lines 25, offset from origin 50. Now go symbols and arrows, arrowhead, close field, okay, arrow size 65. Okay, go text style, t-text, click here, t-text, select, font name Romans, text height 60, width factor 0.8. okay, cancel. Now select text style, t-text, okay, text color, by layer, text placement vertical, above, horizontal, centered, view direction left to right, offset from dim line 34, text alignment, tick, align with dimension line. Okay, go fit, either text or arrows, tick, text placement beside the dimension line, tick. Okay, go primary units format, decimal, okay, precision, okay, millimeter, suffix, okay, measurement scale 1, scale factor 1. Now go alternate unit, display alternate unit, tick here. Okay, unit format, select architectural, precision 0.25, quarter, multiply for alt units. Now go calculator, 1 divide 25.4 equal, select answer, copy, paste. Okay, now untick feet, untick inches, okay, click OK, select test and ft, set current, close. Okay, current dimension style, test and ft. Okay, go linear, tick, okay, tick, okay, again go dimension style manager, enter, select test ft, go modify, alternate units, suffix, type ft, okay, close. Okay, millimeter, feet and inches, millimeter, feet and inches. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.